In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an app to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect while keeping everything simple and secure. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. This is your hub for managing connections. Open Apps, and you'll see options like Explore Apps or Add More. Either choice takes you to the same place, a catalog of compatible apps that can enhance what ChatGPT can do. Once you're in the app catalog, take a moment to browse. You'll notice a variety of tools available, and at the top right, there's a search field. If you already know what you want, type the name there to find it quickly. Otherwise, skim the list to discover what's possible. When you click on an app, you'll see a brief description that usually explains what the app does inside ChatGPT and any capabilities it unlocks. This is a great place to check what kind of access the app needs and who provides it, so you can make an informed decision before connecting. When you're ready, select the app you'd like and click Connect. At this point, you might see a confirmation window in ChatGPT, or you may be redirected to the app's own website or sign-in page. That's normal. Many apps need you to verify your account or approve permissions so they can work safely with ChatGPT. Simply follow the on-screen instructions the app provides. This could include signing into the external service, authorizing access, or choosing specific settings the app requires. Take a moment to read each prompt so you understand what you're allowing, and only grant the access you're comfortable with. After you complete those steps, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT, and you should see that the app is now connected. You can return to Settings and the App section anytime to confirm the connection, review details, or manage your connected apps later. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, then refresh the page and check again. And if you don't see the app you're looking for, try the search field at the top right with a more specific keyword. That's it. Click your profile, open Settings, go to Apps, Explore or Add More, pick the app you want, click Connect, and follow the app's instructions. You're all set to enhance ChatGPT with the tools that fit your workflow.